This 2022 Forest River Cherokee Wolfpack 355 PACK-14 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina 29588 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Forest River is 42 feet 9 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 8, Skylight, auxiliary battery, Colorado Detector, leveling jacks, refrigerator, smoke detector, oven, LP detector, slideout, air conditioning, and 100-gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunk beds, front bedroom, loft, patio deck, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Cherokee Wolfpack 355 PACK-14 is 12,988 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.